In situations whereby you are not getting sales after running social media adverts to your offer, to your product and your services, the first thing that comes to your mind is maybe your creative is not okay, or your targeting is not fine, or the advertising platform is having one issue or the other. But the truth of the matter is that is not where to start from. When you are not making sales, or you're not getting people to buy into your offer, your product, or your services, and you're running social media advert, the first thing you need to do is to diagnose your sales process. You have to run a diagnosis of the entire sales process to ascertain where the problem lies and tackle it right from there. So in this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process to run such diagnosis, to be able to identify where the problem lies and how to resolve it. The first thing you need to do is to confirm that your website is not too long. The text on your website are not necessarily need to be long before people will understand the products that you are selling or the offer. People on your website not to read another text. The details of the information about the products should be precise. You know, when people are scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling on your website, it's most likely they will abandon such purchase, and you know the attention span of people are not so much. So if they are just landing on your website for the very first time and they keep reading and reading and reading and reading a lot of text, it's sure that you might not really get those visitors to be converted into buying customers. So you should set up a sales funnel, you know, such that you have captured them to opt in into your mailing list. Then the information you are giving them should be precise, and they get to, you know, the cart and check out and make purchase if they want to buy, if they are people that will make purchase just getting to know about your product for the first time. Or all of those texts that you want to communicate to them, let it come as form of email series, you know, so that you educate them more about your brand, about your product, about your services, about the offer you are rendering. That way you will realize that you even have more recurrent customer, and the cost you are spending on the advert, the budget you are spending on the advert will give you better revenue. So let me show you two different sales page for a single product, one that has a lot of text and the other that has little text, how we addressed it and how we get better results when we did that.
Yeah, so let's take a look at two different sales page, you know, for the same product. You know, I want you to see the difference between these two sales page, and I'll tell you how their result was. So let's take a look at this first. So this is the sales page. You can see it say experience the blah 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 blah. This is the heading, and you can see a very nice image at the top and say attention, and there's a photo gallery that shows the image so that, you know, customers can see different images, which is awesome, and, you know, details about the product. But this is getting too much. The story is so much. Not like you shouldn't give them some major information, but the reading is so you say looking for blah blah blah. The advanced selective function provide these where these, you know, with this blah 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 blah, you know. In fact, this is not even still lengthy with text. The text here is not even so much. It gives the different categories for 1 pack, price for 2 pack, you know. So it now say, guess what, if you act fast, blah 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 blah, you get 2 pieces worth over this. Okay, so, and there's WhatsApp button. Can you see distractions? so instead of for them even to read the whole details there, they will definitely come on WhatsApp and start be asking you some unnecessary questions. So you can see, not like this is too lengthy, but the words there, there are ways that it can be avoided, there are ways it can be reduced, you know. So all of this, and 22, yeah, copyright in 2022. So let's see the same product, and here it is. I want you to see the major difference here. Go straight to the point, very straight to the point. Experience this for this problem with this. So the solution and the offer, straight to the point. That is the heading. And the future, you can see the position is even different on this one. Position is different, straight to the point. You can see, let's go back. This one has all of this story, all of this, but here, product future, then photo gallery, then after that there's a button, call to action button, then the product image, some details, then a video. Yeah, you can see the difference here. We didn't see, as we journey through, we didn't see the video. We don't see any video, so this video too can be better than this, but there's a video that shows, let's play it. There's a video that shows details about the awesome, so don't let that distract us. So what they stand to get when they receive it, you understand, a picture and the same offer that was made here, the same offer that was made here. So guess what, blah 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 blah, and all of these and all of these, and this picture has actually done justice to that. So the same offer was made here, very short, precise, straight to the point, and very straight to the point, and that was all. You can see, so even this is not as lengthy. This one that I was saying, it was lengthy. So the results that this one that has a lot of text give was lower when compared to the result this one gave. The cost per purchase and the quality of the purchase was better for this that was very precise, straight to the point. Though you need to give some information on the website so that Facebook will not actually flag your account, but notwithstanding, you must ensure that the website doesn't have too much text. They are not here to read another textbook. So instead of loading them with too much information, let that information come in form of an email series for your customer. That's why you should make use of a funnel. So they have hopped into your funnel and they gain access to all of these details. So for those that does not buy now, that does not go to the checkout page, because this is actually where you're using a funnel for this, and that other one too, they were using a funnel for it. So for those who do not go to the checkout page, you have already captured their leads, and you can follow up with them, and via the email series they can get all of those lengthy information that you want to give to them. So having said that, just like I said, the first thing you need to do is to confirm that the details on your website is not too much. They are not there to read another textbook, and it's not bugging them up. That way you will be able to, once you have ascertained that this is resolved, then you can move to the next stage. So in the next video, I've told you that this will be a series. In the next video, I'll be telling you the step 2 that you need to cater for. The second thing you need to check when you are not getting sales on your website, when people are not making purchase of your products and you are running social media adverts. The first thing you need to do is this, to confirm that your website is giving them the right information that is needed, and to ensure that it is not lengthy, the words is not too much there.
So after you have cross-examined your website and you have confirmed that the text on the website, they are not too much, and you have removed the unnecessary text, that are on the website, ensuring that it's not too lengthy. And most especially, you have created your email series, you have set up the way to capture the leads, and you have set up your email series, and you ensure that you are speaking the language of the customers on their website. You've showcased their pain points, and you've ensured that the website is catchy and have all the necessary high quality images, high quality pictures. The texts are precise and straightforward, and you have done all of this on your website. There's no issue. The loading of the website is loading fast. The website is loading fast. There's no distraction. Sometimes a lot of people have, just like on that sales page that I showed you, having the WhatsApp button on the website, and that is already showing the moment they put it on the moment they land on the website. There are ways you can make use of that. You can make the WhatsApp button load when they have actually checked about 90% of the website content, or you don't even let it show at all until when they have when they get to the last segment of the website, or after they have made their purchase. All of those can be distractions that will not make them to buy on the website, and they come on WhatsApp and making unnecessary questions which should have been answered on the website. So after you have ascertained that your website is functioning well and there is no issue on the website, the next thing you have to do is to now go to the advertising platform to confirm that you don't have issue with your creative, you don't have issue with your swipe, your targeting is perfect, the advertising methodology you are using is also very correct. So to avoid this video to be too long, this will be a series, so this is episode 1. I'll create a playlist for this particular series, and the episode 2 will be made available. So the episode 2 will be taking care of the advertising platform, how to go about it, how to take care of your advertising structure, your targeting, your creative, even when you're having advert fatigue, what to do and how to handle it. So in that wise, suggest that you I'll suggest that you subscribe to this channel such that when you upload the episode 2, you will be automatically notified. If this video is a blessing to you, give it a thumbs up and you share with some people that might have a similar challenge, and so that it can be a solution to as many people as possible. And when you give it a thumbs up, it will also help the YouTube algorithm to show it to as many people as possible. I'd like to see you in the next video. God bless.